brilliant throw, Mandy.
Wow!
Dancing didgeridoos. Where is that flare? Oh, it came from the cliffs. I better call Fireman Sam.
Oh, an emergency flare from the cliffs. Tom has sighted an emergency flare, Sam. Somebody must be in trouble on the cliffs. Tom will meet you there in the chopper.
Thank goodness, there's Tom.
Here's Fireman Sam!
Sam! It's Penny! She's stuck up the cliff. You have to help her!
Don't worry, Mandy. We'll save her.
What I still don't understand is how that flare ended up in the field.
It's a real mystery, isn't it?
There's the answer to your mystery, Tom. Nipper obviously likes bangers.
Move aside, make way for Fireman Sam, cause he's gonna save the day. Fireman Sam, cause he's brave to the core.